Everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest trends in beauty, fashion, and everything in between. I'm your name, and today, we're talking about something super exciting nail fashion for 2025 asterisk. Whether you're a nail art enthusiast or just looking for some inspiration, this video is for you. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get into the hottest nail trends of 2025. First up, let's talk about a trend that's not just stylish but also eco-conscious, sustainable nails. In 2025, more and more people are opting for nail products that are kind to the planet. Think biodegradable glitter, vegan nail polishes, and non-toxic gel formulas. Brands are stepping up their game, offering stunning colors and finishes without compromising on sustainability. One of the biggest hits this year is the eco-glam look. It's all about using earthy tones like moss green, terracotta, and sandy beige, paired with subtle biodegradable glitter accents. It's chic, it's trendy, and it's good for the planet. What's not to love? Next up, we have a trend that's straight out of a sci-fi movie: holographic and metallic nails. This trend has been around for a while, but in 2025, it's bigger and bolder than ever. Imagine nails that shift colors depending on the light, giving off a mesmerizing, futuristic vibe. One of the most popular styles this year is the Galaxy Chrome look. It combines holographic effects with metallic shades like silver, gold, and rose gold. Pair it with a matte top coat for a stunning contrast, or go full-on glossy for maximum shine. Either way, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. Now, if bold and flashy isn't your thing, don't worry, 2025 has plenty of options for the minimalist at heart. Minimalistic nail art is all about clean lines, subtle designs, and understated elegance. Think tiny dots, thin stripes, and geometric shapes in neutral or pastel shades. A favorite this year is the less is more look. It's perfect for those who want their nails to look polished and sophisticated without being too over the top. You can even add a single accent nail with a tiny gold foil detail, or a minimalist French tip for a modern twist. Ready to take your nails to the next level? 3D nail art is making a huge comeback in 2025, and it's all about adding texture and dimension to your manicure. From tiny pearls and crystals to sculpted flowers and abstract shapes, the possibilities are endless. One of the most talked about styles this year is the sculpted bloom look. It features delicate 3D flowers and leaves that look like they've been plucked straight from a garden. It's perfect for weddings, special occasions, or just when you want to feel extra fancy. Fashion is cyclical, and nail art is no exception. In 2025, we're seeing a major retro revival, with styles from the 70s, 80s, and 90s making a comeback. Think bold colors, funky patterns, and playful designs that scream nostalgia. Nail jewelry asterisk. Gone are the days when rings were the only way to accessorize your hands. Now, you can add tiny charms, chains, and even gemstones directly to your nails for a luxurious, high-fashion look. The Royal Elegance look is a huge hit this year. It features delicate gold chains draped across the nails, paired with pearls or crystals for a regal touch. It's perfect for those who want to add a touch of glamour to their everyday look. And there you have it, the hottest nail trends of 2025. Whether you're into sustainable glam, futuristic holographics, or retro vibes, there's something for everyone this year. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which trend is your favorite, and if you've tried any of these styles yet. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.